This is the first of 4 videos that explains speaker labeling. In general, there are 4 ways in which speakers can be labeled. These are numbered speakers, named speakers, pre-recorded speakers, and unidentifiable speakers. In this video, we'll be talking about numbered speakers. This means that the name of the speaker is not known. This is the most common way of labeling the speakers in a task. The speaker label is speaker and then a number. The number is actually the order in which the speakers appear in the video. So the first speaker would be speaker 1. The second speaker would be speaker 2. Later, when a new person is heard in the task, they would be speaker 3. To add a new speaker, you can simply click this plus button here, and you can see that automatically the second speaker will be named speaker 2. To edit the speaker name, you can click the 3 dots here next to the name and click Edit Speaker. Here, you can edit the speaker's label, but be careful. The word speaker should be with lowercase letters only. If you write speaker with a first uppercase letter, like this, or maybe like this, with every letter uppercase, this will not be correct. Speaker with all the letters in lowercase is the only correct way of labeling the speakers. So, you should have speaker, blank space, and a number which signifies the order in which the speakers appear in the task.